Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. I hocus pocus magic.
Good morning, WE TV. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff. First off, we're going to take a look at last week's weather. It's been a challenging weather pattern that has developed over this past week. A big upper level system that is actually still sitting over New Mexico is sitting and spinning, and this testy little devil has been playing havoc on the weather pattern for our neck of the woods over the last few days. The bottom line is it's been raining a little bit across the Texas Hill Country. It started on Wednesday with some isolated showers and some drizzle events across the Hill Country. That went into the Thursday time frame. We had a similar pattern, not a whole lot of rain both Wednesday and Thursday. And then the cold front came through yesterday on Thursday, and brought in much colder air. We thought maybe some strong thunderstorms were going to develop on the eastern part of the hill country. That did not occur, and instead what happened, we had a lot of rain and showers and thunderstorms across a good portion of the Texas Hill Country overnight last night and continued into this morning and today. Rainfall amounts across the central portion of the hill country anywhere from 1/2 of an inch to 1.5 inches across the area. So very good rainfall, and actually some embedded thunderstorms back in the cold air part of this system. We had another cluster of strong thunderstorms far south of San Antonio overnight last night and dropped 1 to 3 inches. I think there was even some severe weather with those thunderstorms. But unfortunately, not a whole lot across our portion of the hill country. The eastern portion of the hill country mainly has seen light rainfall, and over the last couple of days we can total it up maybe at 2/10 at the most. But beggars can't be choosers. We're certainly happy with the rainfall, and I've got more to tell you coming up here in just a moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather pattern for this coming weekend into next week. This pesky upper level low, which is currently sitting over New Mexico, like I said earlier, is only going to slowly move to the northeast over this weekend. And in fact, it's probably going to be over Mexico a good portion of the day today, Friday, and then the upper level low is going to move across the Texas Panhandle on Saturday, and then it's going to begin to eject out into the Midwest and out of our area. This weather pattern, as complicated as it's been very beneficial for us. We've had a lot of rainfall already over the Texas Hill Country today, Friday, and we're expected to see more rainfall over the Hill Country today and Saturday and into early Sunday. The cold air is also still in place, and we don't really see the temperatures going very high for the weekend time frame. 40s for today, high temperature on Saturday in the 50s, warming into the lower 60s by Sunday time frame when the rainfall ends. And then we have a slow warm up as this week occurs. We're going to have high temperatures eventually in the 70s from Monday through Friday. Low temperatures will generally range from the 40s to the 50s. How much rainfall? Really kind of a big question. Upper level low moves off to the northeast. We have an overrunning pattern with the cold front far to our south. And then we have another disturbance coming up from the southwest that's going to give us plentiful rainfall both Friday, Saturday, and into early Sunday time frame. So across the Texas Hill Country, I think we could technically see at most another 1 to 3 inches across this area. So we'll have to take a closer look next week to see how much rainfall does occur. But I think in general 1 to 3 inches is a fairly good forecast for the rest of this weekend. Also, as this upper level system moves away, the warm front's going to come back up. The temperatures are going to start to rise during the week this week. Back into the 70s, and that's going to pull more moisture back into the area, and we should see more rainfall from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame, but I'm thinking along the lines of low rainfall amounts, maybe 1/10 of an inch total, 2/10 of an inch total from the Tuesday to Friday time frame. We will certainly keep you posted if there are significant changes throughout next week's forecast, and thank you for joining us, and we hope you have a great week.
Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and take a look.